Hi, this is Jas, and today I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on Linux Mint. Well, installing XAMPP on Windows is very easy because there you are working as a super admin and you don't need to change anything. But working on Linux is a different thing. I mean, here you in Linux you are working as a user, so you have to take care of file permission and owner groups. I mean the folders, the file owners group, etc. So first we need to download XAMPP here. So I'm opening Firefox, and you can download XAMPP from apachefriends.org. And here are different versions of XAMPP for Linux. And based upon your preference and your needs, you can download whatever suits you. Okay, you can see the details about the software and their version. For the video purpose, I am downloading 7.3.1, and you can see the details about this: Apache 2.4.37, MariaDB 10.1.37, PHP 7.3.1, and so on. So click on download and it will start downloading the software, and you need to save it. Well, I'm canceling because I have already downloaded the software. As you can see it's here, XAMPP Linux, and it's here. So now we have already XAMPP installer. So now we need to change the file permission for this installer. To do that, you need to open a terminal in the same folder and type chmod 755 and then the file name, that is XAMPP Linux x64 7.3.1 -0 installer .run. So now the permission has been changed, and now you have to run this file to install XAMPP. So for that you have to write sudo linux x64 7.3.1 0 not run, and enter your password. Click next, 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 and now it is So now the installation has been completed, and you can launch XAMPP graphic user interface by clicking on the finish button. And here it is a graphic user interface for using XAMPP. And here you can go on to manage servers as well. So only Apache is running, and you can start your MySQL database by selecting here and start. Alright, so your MySQL database and Apache web server both are running, and you can check your browser like that. Here you have to write localhost. I'm sorry. And XAMPP is working. You can see your PHP info by clicking here. It will give you all the details about your PHP configuration, and you can also browse MySQL DB with phpMyAdmin. Here you have all the database, and you can create or edit or delete any database or create any table within a database. So now it's working, and here, so this is the graphical user interface, but you can also run XAMPP from terminal. So I'm stopping all the services. So everything is stopped, and your XAMPP is your web server, local web server is not working. So I'm closing this interface. Are you sure you want to close the application? Yes. And now to start the application through terminal, you just have to write sudo /opt /lampp /lampp and start. So now your Apache is running, MySQL is running, and your httpd software is also running. And now your web server is running again. With the same command, just stop. You can stop all three services. And now your web server will stop working. It's not working. Alright, so now our XAMPP is installed, but we need to test the server. By default, you cannot create any file or folder in htdocs. That is here. opt ram, and you have this htdocs folder. If I want to create a folder, I cannot create it. So what I will need to do is that I will need to change the ownership of the folder. And to do that, what I need to do is open the same folder in the terminal, or you can open your terminal from here. I am using another terminal, and it's okay. So here it is, and what I need to do is I need to write sudo chown. This is your username, colon, again your username, then the path of the folder that you wish to hmm, hmm, docs. Enter your password. Now we also need to make one more changes in httpd.conf, and to do that you need to type sudo your editor name, that will be xamppp, as XAMPP slash etc slash httpd dot conf. Alright, so the http.conf is open, and now you need to find the user daemon or nobody. So you can also do a control F, search user. Here it's user daemon that you need to change to your username, and save this file. Once it is saved, close the file, close your terminal, but before that stop your XAMPP. And now you need to relog. Now to start XAMPP, write again the same command, password, and then your server is working. To test that, you can write or you can write a new file or folder in the htdocs file. What I am doing, I'm going to documents. Here I have created a WordPress file which I am copying to the htdocs folder. So I can copy folder over here, and now I will create a database. Sometimes it happens, you just need to refresh. I'm creating a database called big data. So as you have seen that I have inserted a folder named WordPress that includes all the WordPress files. So I'm checking whether PHP and MySQL are working or not. So here it is, localhost WordPress, and as you can see that it's taking the WordPress installation page. So PHP is working, as well as database is also connected to this file. So it's all done, and now you can create any you can have all your web development needs that you can do on Linux Mint or any Linux desktop. All right, thank you and have a good time.